Wixie tools, recording audio. Students have the ability to record audio within Wixie itself. To record audio for a slide, they need to come over to the right and select the microphone icon. Once they select this, they'll then be given the record button underneath. If this is the first time that they've done this within the Wixie program, they may be asked to allow their microphone. To record, they hit record. Wixie will count them down, 3, 2, 1, and then at that point, anything that they say will be recorded. When they're done with the recording, they hit stop. They'll then be asked to preview the recording. They can then decide whether they want to keep it or try again. They select keep. They'll then be able over here on the right be able to play it or again trash it later on if they decide to. In the slide itself, in the lower corner, you will be presented with a megaphone icon so you know that there is audio recorded on that page.